My name is Fernando. I'm the General Manager here at STVCNC. We're a Vegas-based company, Vegas-born. 90% of the components on our plasma tables are manufactured here in our Vegas facility. We do use our own plasma tables to cut out other plasma table parts, for sure. 20 components that you see on the table were either cut on our table itself or manufactured in our mills and lathes. We do all the bending in-house as well. A lot of that allows us to keep our lead time shorter. We can reduce the cost of the overall design because we do most of it in-house. We don't have to third-party anything. We inspect all of the legs, all of the frame, to make sure there's no imperfections anywhere before we ship them out. We want to make sure that everyone gets the best quality that they can. Because we are new, we're held to a higher standard, and we want to meet that standard. So everything that we ship out, we want to make sure that everything works flawlessly, assembles together flawlessly, and then it runs as smoothly as possible.